Snake plants are well known for thriving on neglects. They respond best to the lightest of watering and then just being left alone. That's why we call them unkillable. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about a snake plant care. Okay, let's go. Snake plants don't need much water. Make sure you allow your snake plant soil to dry out completely between waterings, as this helps to prevent root rot. Snake plants are easygoing and will thrive in almost all light conditions. The lighter and brighter the place you pick for your snake plant, the happier they'll be. But really, don't sweat it too hard. Your snake plants will adapt to whatever light life shades on them. Snake plants can survive at most temperatures, but enjoy being kept in warm spots, ideally with temperatures above 10 centigrade. In the winter, be sure to protect your plant from drafty windows. Avoid keeping your snake plant in the bathroom as they prefer dry conditions. They'll be much happier in your bedroom or living room. You can probably keep your snake plant in its original nursery pot for a long while, unless its roots are bursting out of the bottom of the pot. Snake plants are relatively slow growers, so won't need repotting that often. I'm appreciated for watching me. If you have any question about house plants, share me in comments. I try to answer them in videos. Have a great time. Bye.